since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely. A warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the reflector assembly in this NuTone bath fan, you will need a flathead screwdriver and a 3/8 inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the power supply to the fan. Using a flathead screwdriver, compress the locking tab to release the lens cover from the grille assembly. Unscrew the light bulb. While securing the grille and reflector assembly with your hand, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, loosen and unscrew the acorn nut. Unplug the reflector assembly from the light receptacle. Take out the new reflector assembly from the packaging. Plug the new reflector assembly into the light receptacle. With the grille assembly in hand, feed the reflector assembly through the grille assembly center opening. Support the grille assembly and center it over the bath fan housing. Insert the reflector assembly, screw on the acorn nut, and tighten with a 3/8 inch nut driver. Screw the light bulb into the light socket. Hook one of the tabs of the lens cover into the notch on the grille assembly and firmly press the opposite side of the lens cover to snap the other tab into place. Turn the power supply back on, and the bath fan should be ready for use.